Hello, so in this video we are going to see how I can deploy my application as a tenant member in my Sandbox environment. So first of all, I'll just have to go to my console and log in my terminal as a tenant member. So I'll just copy the login command and we'll paste it over here. And then as you can see, I'm using a Sandbox environment. So now I'll just simply go to my application terminal and using tilt up, I can just deploy my application, which I have defined everything in this tilt file. So yeah, now I can just go here and check what's the status in tilt uh, over here. And as you can see, it's starting the to deploying the Helm chart, which includes in my application repository. And yeah, it's compiling the application. As you can see, it's building an image and it will push in the end to the registry, and then my application will be deployed in my Sandbox environment. Let's wait for that. So application is deployed and pushed. Now I can just go to my console again and we'll check the pods of the application. So as you can see over here, my new application pod is starting to come up, and let's wait for it to get ready. Might take some time, so let me pause the video for a second, and once it's ready I can come back. And yes, now the application pod is ready. I can just go over here in networking tab, routes. I can access my application using this route. So it's an REST API. So I just need to go slash API review and customer ID. And as you can see now, my application is responding with the data. As you can see, it's a customer information, name, ID, blah blah. So now what can I do is I'll go back to my application and let's do some changes in data and let's see if that reflects in my application. So let me change the name. Let me just say Osama plus Khan, and now I will just save this file, and tilt will start redeploying, recompiling the application, and will deploying it again. So yeah, let's wait for the tilt to compile this, and let's check the new pod to come up. Okay, so tilt has compiled the application. Now let's check for the new pod. Okay. Compilation is completed just now, and you can see the data has changed. Now it reflects my changes that I have just made in the application. So yeah, that's how you can deploy your application using tilt in Sandbox environment. Yeah, thanks for watching.